Hello, I'm Jonathan with KECO Body Repair Products. Today we'd like to talk to you about the K-Bar. The K-Bar is a strong leverage bar with some interesting features. We have a very nice hand lead to grab the tool. We have a movable thread that adapts to all the different adapters that we're just going to talk about in a minute. We have the foot here. It's covered in a rubber foot where you can use it on the car, around the car, underneath. You can use it on rocker panels, on doors, on roofs even, and on rails of a car. Works like this. You put it on a strong spot and then start yanking or pulling on a dent. What kind of dents? Well, you can use centipedes, and they are used in conjunction with these adapters. You just slide the adapter onto the tool, you fix it, slide the centipede in there, and start pulling with hot glue, and start using the tabs to pull out dents without taking the paint off. It's a pull to paint or PDR system to help you get big dents out of that. It's a single action tool, meaning single action means you still need to use your arm, and you have a second arm with a slapper or a hammer or whatever you're using to slap down those crowns. So it allows you to repair all that stuff. Very nice on this tool is on rockers of cars, you can go underneath, push against the rocker, and then use this tool and pull out the damage from jacks or whatever the damage was that caused the rocker to be dented. So the adapters that come with the tool are 5 different ones. Let me show them to you. We have the 100mm adapter, we have the 50mm adapter, we have the 25mm adapter that slide over big centipedes, and we have one that is blocked to grab on tabs or smaller tabs. Also one with a thread, a 1/4-20 thread that goes in all our tabs, and you can use it on the K-Bar and use it to pull separate tabs as well. If you want to know more about this tool, well, visit us at kecotabs.com or click the link below and start cranking.